In this video, I'm going to be showing some new lights that we got for our presses so that the press operators can clearly see the defects as they occur. Here in our QC lab, we have bright LED lights, and we can use different angles and we can see the defects really clearly. The problem is, out here by the presses, we have fluorescent lights, but somehow the glare and the distance of the lights, we can't see the defects as clearly as we would like. So when the QC team is working with the press operators to get rid of the defects, we have to walk back to the QC lab to our lights, and then back to the presses. And then the press operators can't tell what has changed, so they have to walk back and forth to ask us if their changes are making a difference. The solution we're trying is magnetic rechargeable LED lights that go under our displays. This way, the press operators can get the light they need to see the defects, and they'll be able to eliminate them more easily.